Scholes, president of Bike Friday. We make bikes that you can take anywhere all over the world that fit you great, and I'm excited to show you the factory where we build them from scratch just for you. So when you give us a call at Bike Friday, we'll get you over to one of our Bike Friday experts that totally loves what we're doing and wants to help you find the perfect bike. So one of them is Buck here, and he'll walk you through the process.
I've been an avid cyclist my whole life. When I receive a new call, basically what I want to do is identify your needs, determine which model will meet those needs best, and then work through the fun details of paint color, accessory options, and of course timeline to get your new bike out in time for that next adventure. Maybe a European tour. Who knows? The choice is up to you.
One thing that's unique about Bike Friday is that we start with you first, the customer, and talk to you about what your needs are, where do you want to go with the bike, what kind of adventure do you want to have on the bike, what you need your bike to really do for you. And once we have an understanding of that, we put a special design together just for you, and we buy the parts, and then we build it by hand here in Eugene, Oregon at the factory and ship it off to you. So I'm going to take you through the factory and show you the process that we create this special bike that's built just for you. So once we have figured out your order and what you need on your perfect Bike Friday, we order the parts from all over the world, and when they come in, we kit them, put them in this bag. We've got, this bike is being built for Lee and Mr. Brown, and we've got all the particular parts that Mr. Brown wanted all kitted out, and we have the sizing of what size we need to build that bike. And we have all the parts for building the wheel set that Mr. Brown wanted. So once we have all the pieces together, then we build the frame and start turning it into a full bicycle. So once we're ready to build the frame of the bike, the parts cutter looks at all the information that we've collected from you, your sizing and color and everything, the type of bicycle, and then starts cutting all of the different pieces to the right size to fit your bicycle. And these are all the frame parts that are needed to build a New World Tourist. So once we've cut all the parts for your bike, all the right size, and prepared them, they go into the jig, and we adjust the jig to fit the size for your bike and start welding all of it together into a frame. Right now we're actually welding a Tandem Tuesday, which is the only folding tandem custom sized in the world, and we actually have the custom sized back compartment for the stoker and custom for the captain. And so you can have two 4-foot people on a custom built folding tandem, or two 6'5" people on a custom built folding tandem. After your frame is built, then it's time to paint it. And we know that you're a unique individual, and not everybody likes the same color. So choosing the color that you really enjoy is important. So we offer a wide array of colors and paint it with powder coat to match what you're looking for. Powder coat is used for several reasons. It's much more durable than wet paint, and it's much less toxic, and that's important to us. So once the bike is painted, all the pieces, then we assemble the frame and put it on the alignment table to check all of the different angles to make sure it's straight. While we're building your frame, we're also building your wheels. So we've got all the different rims and hubs and tires that you've chosen for your bicycle, and then we put them together into your wheel set. And many people don't know that smaller wheels are actually much stronger, more durable, and actually climb better on hills and are more maneuverable than larger wheels. There's a lot of benefits to having a small wheeled bike that you're going to travel with in a lot of different situations. Once we have the bike frame all together and we put the parts on, then we cable the bike with the cable housing color that you've chosen. And we have expert mechanics like Damon here, who actually are line masters. They know how to build all the different varieties of Bike Fridays. He rides the bike to work, he takes his daughter to school on a holiday cargo bike, and puts a lot of love into the bike that he's building for you. So once we've built your bike, put everything together, cabled it up, then we take it out on the maiden voyage and make sure everything is working and it's ready to ride. Your bike has been tested, the brakes, the shifting, everything, before we put it in the box. So because this is a folding bike, we're able to pack your bike into a small box and ship it out FedEx to your local dealer or to your house and have it ready for you to ride. Once we've shipped you your bike, we're still here to support you. We have a full service department that's aimed at helping make sure you stay riding your bike in good condition for a lifetime. You can call us or email us with any type of question, from how do I fold my bike or pack it in the suitcase to I'm ready for a new color, can you repaint it, and a host of other things. So give us a call or an email if you ever have any issues. Thank you for coming on the tour and seeing what my family loves to do. We'll be excited to build one just for you that fits you perfect.